How to add age guidelines to your Roblox game. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let me know in the comments if it helps you out. So if you don't know what that exactly is, I'll just open up a couple of games like that. And here you can, for example, see ages 9+, and here you can see all ages, 13+, all ages, and all ages. So in order to get such an age rating or age guideline to your own game as well, I'll show you guys that right now. So you want to go to create, and once you are here in create, this is basically where your creations are. Of course, you want to go to your creations, and I only have this very basic your default place basically. But what you want to do is simply go to the left, and here you can see audience, right? And here you can see questionnaire. So you want to click on here, and once you click on here, it says questionnaire not started. So what exactly is this? You will basically do a quick test. I mean, you can read all of this yourself if you would like to, but you can basically, you basically have to take a quick test. So you have to answer a couple of default questions, and based on your answers, Roblox will automatically give you an age recommendation. So I'll just go ahead and start this and show you guys. So does your experience contain violence and or violent content? So obviously make sure to fill all of this in truthfully. I'm actually not sure what happens if you do not fill this in truthfully, but let's say I have a game that does. What is the level of intensity, mild or moderate? Let's say moderate, so it's like non-graphic, realistic looking. How frequent does it occur? Let's say occasional, and then click on save and continue. And then here it says, does this experience depict blood? Let's say yes. Then how realistic is this blood? It's very unrealistic. For example, are the depictions of blood infrequent and or fleeting? Let's say no, and then click on save and continue. Here, see, you basically have to fill all of these questions. So I'm already actually done, and as you can see, it says age recommendation 13+. So, and then this is basically the descriptors. This will also be added to your game as well, and then you can click on submit, and now it is a success. You can also restart if you might have changed some stuff inside of your game, because this could also possibly depend on the age rating. But this is basically how to add age guidelines to your Roblox game.